Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Over here on our timeline we have the footage that we want to change. Navigate to the media pool and on the timeline press right click, timelines and timeline settings. By default this is disabled, but we need to enable, uncheck this, use project settings, and now we can change it. The first one by default aspect ratio is 16:9, the most used one. Let's change to the vertical one. Okay, and now we have 9:16. Let's go back, timeline settings, uncheck this, and the next one is the square. This is 4:3, the square. That's how easy it is to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.